My name is Glenn Galdes. I come from the country Malta. I have my own company where I have a full team of engineer and technical department to give service to my clients as a consultant, also to give support to customers on their machines. I came to ZIRVE as a consultant with a company friend in Malta, and I was here to take the decision to see the quality of the machines. The machines were very successful. I was really happy with that. Everything was also according to the directive, so from my side was a big okay, as the machines worked perfectly and with a really high standard, and therefore it was happy really for the outcome and also the support of ZIRVE. And I thank you for this opportunity, and well done for your machines. Thank you very much. Your machines. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Stephen Abela and I'm from Malta. I work for this company from Malta. My position is production floor manager. We came here to this factory to see the machinery, which we are very happy. The machineries are according to our standard, and we are looking forward to work with this factory, this company ZIRVE, in our near future.